Imagine skipping breakfast, then lunch, then dinner. You might feel a pang of hunger, a slight dip in energy. Now stretch that feeling for days, then weeks. The human body, for all its complexities, operates on a simple principle: survival. Deprived of food, it embarks on a remarkable journey, rationing its resources and fighting for life. This is the shocking truth about how long we can survive without food, a testament to our resilience and a stark reminder of our basic needs. We often take food for granted, a routine part of our day, but behind each meal lies a complex interplay of energy intake and expenditure. Our bodies require calories, the fuel that powers our every move, thought, and breath. Water too plays a crucial role, acting as a solvent, a transport medium, and a temperature regulator. These two elements, calories and water, form the foundation of our survival. But what happens when this foundation crumbles, when food becomes scarce and our calorie intake dwindles? Our bodies don't surrender easily. Instead, they adapt, shifting into a state of conservation, meticulously drawing upon their internal reserves. This is the science of survival, a delicate dance between resource allocation and the relentless march of time. Our bodies are remarkably efficient machines, storing excess energy for times of need. This energy is primarily stored as glycogen, a form of carbohydrate found in our liver and muscles. Glycogen is our readily available energy source, quickly broken down into glucose to fuel our cells. When we fast, our glycogen stores deplete rapidly, lasting for approximately 12 to 24 hours. As glycogen levels plummet, our bodies turn to their next source of fuel, fat. Fat, while often demonized, is an essential energy reserve capable of sustaining us for weeks or even months. The process of breaking down fat, known as lipolysis, releases ketones into the bloodstream, providing an alternative energy source for our brains and other organs. However, relying solely on fat for energy comes at a cost. Muscle tissue, crucial for movement and strength, begins to break down as well, providing amino acids that can be converted into glucose. Starvation is not a single event, but rather a gradual process, a slow and agonizing decline marked by distinct stages. In the initial stages, as glycogen stores dwindle, we experience intense hunger pangs, fatigue, and irritability. Our bodies crave food, sending powerful signals to seek nourishment. As starvation progresses, our bodies become increasingly reliant on fat reserves. Weight loss accelerates and muscle wasting becomes evident. Our skin may become dry and brittle, our hair thin and lifeless. Our immune systems weaken, leaving us vulnerable to infections. Extreme cases of starvation, such as those seen during famines or in individuals with severe eating disorders, paint a grim picture of the body's desperate struggle for survival. Organs begin to shut down, unable to function properly without adequate nutrition. The heart weakens, the digestive system slows, and the brain, starved of essential nutrients, can suffer irreversible damage. The human body's ability to withstand prolonged periods without food is both awe-inspiring and deeply unsettling. Cases like that of Angus Barbieri, a Scottish man who fasted for 382 days, showcase the remarkable resilience of the human spirit. Yet these extreme examples should not overshadow the devastating consequences of starvation, both physically and mentally. Access to nutritious food is not a privilege, but a fundamental human right. We must strive to create a world where no one experiences the horrors of hunger. By supporting food banks, advocating for social justice, and promoting sustainable agricultural practices, we can collectively nourish our communities and ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Let us remember that food is not merely sustenance, it is the foundation of a healthy and equitable society.